their hands, we learn. As what I'm saying a while ago, teacher is the best form for us in terms of our education. Because as we learn, the teachers also learn. Correct? Correct me if I'm wrong. Very good. We learn and they learn. They teach us many things, and through our learning, we help our teachers to learn also, to educate themselves. Not through the use of computers. We just research. Lots of researches that's being done. But
nasa na yung hinihingi ko?
With something the use of encyclopedias, dictionaries, and through words, which is like the book report which Ma'am Elma requires us. She requires us to write our book report through our
Hindi, parang hindi nakakalat.
Within the use of computers, they correct our errors immediately so we can detect it and we can change it. Through our use of science, Ma'am Elma would detect our error and we could be corrected. And through that correction, we are able to establish good bonding to our visions and to learning in ourselves.